So here we are, we got this, and you can see a little bit of the ding there, but I don't think it's impacted anything. So we go through, and there we go. Yeah, there we go. So let me do this gently. It's a very attractive piece, and like I said, did a lot of research on this, and I'm not necessarily a cheapskate, but I look for a bargain, and this company has a very, very good coffee maker. Like I mentioned, the Mocha Masters, excuse me there. Let's see here. Let's take this off. Hopefully it's open on the bottom. Looks that way. And, ooh. Now, as you can see, very well constructed. Very, very attractive. Oh, we're going to go around to the front here. And we have a number of features that we'll talk about as we go along, but I really just wanted to do the unpacking. But the thing about this brewer that was very intriguing is it has a bloom feature to increase the flavor of your coffee, which not everybody has. You can tell here, we've got a nice little carafe. Open that up. Okay. Ooh, very nice. Very, very nice. Very professional, very sleek. This would fit in anybody's kitchen, I can tell you that right now. But this will brew coffee, I believe in 4 minutes, 6 minutes. I'll have to check on that. But as you can see, we've got this in here, and we've got the basic features. And I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of the product. As you can see, it's very attractive. Let me rotate this around a little bit. Okay, you've got this opening in here. This is taped up. I'm not going to pull that out. You'll be bored. But we go ahead and look at this, and we're going to go ahead and analyze this a little bit further. And this is the basic unboxing of the product, and we are going to recommend this for all of the beachfront Java people to purchase. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful brewer. And we'll have more details on the website, and there'll be a second part to this video as we go forward. We'll talk to you after we've had a chance to do a couple brewings, and we can show you how it works. Thank you. Take care now. Hey there, everybody. It's Jerry Claiborne, and wanted to kind of do a brief introduction. This is going to be for our Java and Beyond podcast, but we wanted to go ahead and do something a little bit different. One of the things that we have always talked about is our coffee company, which is Beachfront Java. And, it's an interesting thing, but you kind of have to have a really good brewer to make everything work right. And we were ending up with some situations where the coffee would get burnt or something if it sat there too long, and did some research and came across this company, and very, very interested in what they have. Have ordered one. As you can see, it says Simply Good Coffee, Olson version. And let me go ahead and get my big booty up here. And we're going to open up this package right now. I am using the Metavision glasses to do this project, so let's see what happens. Okay, got that side done. And open up this. Well, they taped it pretty good. Let's see. Let me go through here. Switch this around a little bit. Do the cut. All right. Well, here we go. We have your guide. Look like pretty simplistic guide. Simply Good Coffee. Let's take a peek here. Hello, here's your good coffee. Instructions below. You need to clean the brewer and wash it. Surprise, surprise. So they have some certain things. By the way, we'll have to run a couple units of water through here to get this to work properly. It does use filters, and that's something I'm not used to. But this is a basic instruction manual. There isn't a whole heck of a lot to this. The intriguing part about this particular coffee brewer is It's very comparable to the Mocha Masters that are out there. And it's my understanding that some of the ownership used to work for those folks. But as you can see, you have your standard V-shaped filter there, number 4 filter. We have 5 units to get started with. And we'll go through here. And let's take this bad boy out. Turn that off to the side. And get that to open up. And there we go. Again, it's packaged pretty good. We got a little bit of a ding here, and we